As these technologies integrate deeper into our daily lives and critical infrastructures, the potential for sophisticated cyber attacks grows. It is imperative that we develop advanced security protocols and invest in AI-driven defense mechanisms to stay ahead of the curve. Take, for instance, the example of Colonial Pipeline, one of the largest fuel pipeline operators in the United States. In 2021, they fell victim to a ransomware attack, which led to a staggering $5 million ransom payout. Or consider the case of WhatsApp, which faced a lawsuit for allegedly sharing user data with Facebook. These are just a couple of examples of the devastating impact cyber attacks can have on businesses and individuals alike. Dr. Michael Roberts, Chief Technology Officer at CyberShield Solutions, explains,
A ransomware attack typically begins with a phishing email or malicious link that an unsuspecting user clicks on. This action triggers the download of ransomware software, which encrypts the victim's files and data. The attackers then demand a ransom, usually in cryptocurrency, in exchange for the decryption key. What makes ransomware particularly devastating is its ability to spread quickly across networks, locking down entire systems and causing significant operational and financial damage. Comprehensive security measures, user education, and regular data backups are crucial in defending against such attacks.
One of the most alarming predictions for 2025 is the rise of AI-powered cyber attacks. With the ability to learn and adapt, these attacks will become increasingly sophisticated and difficult to defend against. Another area of concern is the growth of IoT devices, which provide a gateway for hackers to gain access to our homes, our cars, and even our cities. Dr. Sarah Collins, an AI and cybersecurity specialist at the National Institute of Technology, alerts,
AI-powered cyber attacks represent a paradigm shift in the world of cyber threats. These attacks leverage machine learning algorithms to analyze and exploit vulnerabilities in a manner that's swift, adaptive, and increasingly difficult to detect. AI can automate the identification of weak points in systems, launch sophisticated phishing campaigns, and even create polymorphic malware that evolves to evade traditional security measures.
Mitigation techniques to combat AI-powered cyber attacks must be equally advanced and multifaceted. Dr. Collins emphasizes the importance of integrating AI into defense strategies.
We must use AI to our advantage by deploying machine learning models that can detect anomalies in real time, predict potential threats, and respond dynamically. This proactive approach is essential in staying one step ahead of attackers. Furthermore, collaboration between AI and human intelligence is critical.
Dr. Collins suggests a hybrid approach.
Combining the analytical capabilities of AI with the contextual understanding of cybersecurity professionals can enhance threat detection and response. Continuous training and updating of AI models are necessary to keep pace with the evolving tactics of cybercriminals. Another key strategy is the implementation of robust encryption protocols and access controls.
Dr. Alex Turner, head of cyber defense at SecureNet Solutions, advises,
encrypting sensitive data and employing multi-layered access controls can limit the damage caused by AI-driven attacks. Regularly updating these security measures and conducting penetration testing can help identify and address vulnerabilities before they are exploited. Moreover, fostering a culture of cybersecurity awareness is essential.
Dr. Turner underscores the role of education.
Training employees to recognize sophisticated phishing attempts and promoting best practices for digital hygiene can significantly reduce the attack surface. Awareness programs should be an ongoing effort to adapt to new threats and reinforce the importance of vigilance.
In addition to these techniques, continuous monitoring and incident response planning are vital. Dr. Turner concludes,
establishing a dedicated incident response team and maintaining a comprehensive cyber resilience plan ensures that organizations can swiftly mitigate the impact of an attack and recover critical operations. Regular drills and simulations can prepare teams to handle real-world scenarios effectively.
As we navigate the complex landscape of cybersecurity, it's clear that we need to be proactive, not reactive. By taking the necessary steps to protect ourselves and our organizations, we can reduce the risk of falling victim to these attacks. In conclusion, the threat of cyber attacks is real, and it's only going to get worse. It's time to take responsibility for our own cybersecurity and to demand more from the organizations we trust with our data. By staying vigilant and informed, we can minimize the impact of these threats and create a safer digital world. So what do you think? Have you been a victim of a cyber attack? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our other videos on cybersecurity and technology.